So this hair mask is bomb. Like, y'all are gonna see in a moment.
So for the making, you're gonna need a stove and then a pan, and then you're going to go ahead and add your rice. Add your rice to your pan and then go ahead and add some water. We're going to be using this water to first wash our rice. I literally forgot. That is why I'm washing it on the stove, but no problem. Go ahead and wash your rice, strain all of that water, then add the water that you're going to actually use to boil your rice. Boil your rice on low to medium heat. When it's halfway done, just stop right there. It's time to add our oats. I'm adding my oats this time because I feel like oats take less time to cook than rice, and I don't want to lose any of those good nutrients because oats is much more softer than rice. So I'm adding it at this time. Then go ahead and just stir everything together. I'm not using any measurements. Just eyeball everything according to the length and thickness of your hair. Now boil everything together. When it's all done, we're going to go ahead and add our last ingredient, moringa powder, which I love and I made myself. Yeah, just stir everything together. Right now my stove, the heat is down. I'm just going to stir and allow it to cool together so that the moringa can infuse, and then I'm going to go ahead and blend and strain, and that is all for the making.
So I'm just gonna take a moment to show you the final product. I don't know if you guys can see. I hope you can see. Oh, it's like the perfect consistency because I kept adding water until I got the consistency that I absolutely loved. It doesn't smell really good because, you know, I don't love the smell of moringa personally, so I'm going to be starting off on this side of my hair. This side, I'm going to start from the back. Separate this. I'm going to start by slightly detangling. I'm going to go in with this spray that I made recently. You can check my previous videos for how I did it. Pretty good. Oh. I told ya. Product I like a product, a deep conditioner that is thick, it has slip, weighs my hair down, and gets my curls and kinks defined. And this has got it all: the slip, the weights, and the perfect consistency. Next one. At this point, I don't even think it's necessary to add the hair growth spray, but I'm still gonna add it.
Now let's go ahead and talk a little bit about the origin of this hair mask. So this hair mask originated from me. Yeah, I am the brain behind it. So I discovered this hair mask first when I discovered oats. Like, I used oats for the first time on my hair as a deep conditioner, and I absolutely loved it. Like, it's so slippery, it's super moisturizing, lets my hair feel super silky and smooth. And then I went ahead to upgrade it as time went by. I have different versions of this mask that I am definitely going to be sharing with you as time goes on the channel, but for now this is the version that I am loving right now, and that is what I'm making with you. So after I discovered the oats, I realized that okay, I saw like rice was being used so much on the internet, on YouTube, so I thought, okay, I am going to pair rice with my oats, and it worked. And I absolutely love moringa powder. I love moringa, so I thought I'm going to add moringa. You can definitely go ahead and add any other ingredients that you love. Sometimes I add oils to my conditioner, but this time I just thought no. But you can definitely add any oils, olive oil, avocado oil, any oil that you love, or any other herbs, any other Ayurvedic herbs that your hair absolutely loves. Now, for a fact, I think that this DIY deep conditioner protein treatment mask is just as good as any store-bought product because one, it is 100% customizable. You can definitely customize it to suit your personal hair care needs, and you don't have to go buy something that is store-bought, which I am not against. Okay, and it also like contains so many nutrients, like just these 3 ingredients alone. Like if I am about to mention all the great nutrients that oats alone contains: omega-6 fatty acids, it is able to repair damaged hair, help to stop split ends, and it makes your hair softer and fuller, and it makes it silkier and prevents scalp flaking. Like, and that is for just this one ingredient, not to even talk about the others. Rice is like known for hair care so much because you guys know that trend that was going on some years back with the rice water, and people were making rice water challenge and stuff. Like, rice contains so many nutrients that I cannot begin to mention. Moringa is like, I don't want to really say my favorite herb, but I feel like it's my favorite herb because it is a powerhouse of nutrients. Like, I don't think I'm never going to stop saying that moringa is a powerhouse of nutrients. Like, almost every nutrient that your mind could possibly think of, moringa has it. That is how good it is. Now let me take your mind back to the video real quick. Can we begin to just acknowledge how this hair mask lays my tight forehead down? Like, my hair is always like up, it's always like, you know, that shape, like that fro shape. That is how my hair is. Like, if I hadn't met oats and rice and this hair mask, I would never have thought that my hair could like lie down like this, because it is thick, it is coily, it is kinky, and it never like, it's so hard to get it defined. It's just quite a bit hard to manage, okay? But this hair mask just make everything easy. Like, just take a moment to acknowledge this. Like, my curls are popping, everything is just given right now, and it's super easy for the application. You don't have to go ahead and get tired detangling, and your hair is not just incorporating with you. This hair mask just make the wash day and deep conditioning process super easy, and I hope that you guys are going to give this a try because I love it, my hair loves it, and I'm sure that your hair is also going to love it, especially if you have type 4 hair or type 3C or any hair type that you have. But mostly if you have thick hair, this hair mask is for you. I 100% recommend it. So what I'm doing now is I am just separating my hair into 4 sections in twists so that I can go ahead and just wrap it up and then allow the hair mask to properly sit and infuse. It's infused the proper word to use, but to properly sit and my hair so that I can get the full benefits of all the ingredients that I am using. And that is basically it for this video. If you found this informative, helpful, entertaining, educative, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to this channel so that you get posted and all my next videos, which I'm going to be uploading soon. You can get a taste of that. I'm going to be uploading my moisturizing routine next. Stay tuned for that, and bye bye.